Hey, this is Brad Lupton, and we're going to show you how to drain an RPZ. This one here is on an irrigation system, but yours may be on your swimming pool, but they all drain the same. The first thing you want to do is you want to find the shutoff valve that is in between your backflow preventer and your source of water, the meter, or maybe it's the faucet on your house. So first thing we'll do is we'll turn off the below ground source. Always remember, ball valve handles are in the on position when they're parallel with the pipe. They're in the off position when they're perpendicular. So this valve is on, that valve is on. It's important to leave both your valves on while doing a drain, otherwise valves can store water inside of them. So first thing we'll do is let's go ahead and take off the test cock covers. Got the test cock covers off. We'd like to take a small flathead screwdriver, go ahead and put it into the slit on the test cock and open it. As you can see, you need to be careful because sometimes you'll get a little bit of a spray. Let's not stop there. There are 4 test cocks on a backflow preventer like this. We want to open all 4 of them. And there's another shot. So what's important here is that you let it sit in this position and you want to let it drain until this stops draining. Your irrigation system is now putting a little bit of back pressure, and that's what you've got here. So all you do is wait for it to drain completely. Once it's drained completely, simply take your screwdriver, come back, and retighten. I'll show you how to do that as soon as this guy's drained. Okay, now that we've drained back down, we're going to come back through and we're going to close all of our test cocks. The main reason for that is so that bugs don't get in, but the other reason is so that when you turn it back on in the summer or the spring, you don't get a face full of water.